My name is Jennifer Sater. I work with Novelis Incorporated. I'm a quality engineer for the Product Quality and Development Group. I've been employed here for 5 years. I've been in my current job for the last year. I do have a bachelor's degree in chemical engineering. I obtained that from the University of Missouri in Columbia. The past 5 years I've been working in process engineering. This gave me a great segue into quality engineering because it gave me an understanding of process and process control, and now I can take that in my quality engineering job and apply that to different processes within the plant. I am currently a trained quality system lead auditor for TS 16949, which is a automotive standard. I have gone through several training courses, including sheet metallurgy courses, rolling courses, various management, leadership, and safety training courses. I also hold 2 Six Sigma Green Belts, and this year I will be getting my CQE, which is my Certificate of Quality Engineering. At my job, I provide guidance to all manufacturing and support departments in the areas of product quality and business systems. I work extensively with departments to ensure that Oswego Works is providing the high quality, reliable, and consistent product to our customers that they require. I handle quality standards here at Oswego, meaning that I'm in charge of implementing and ensuring that we adhere to the standards of the TS 16949 standard. This is an automotive standard, and if we are not, we are audited to this. If we are not compliant, then we will lose some of our customers because we won't be able to provide them with the product. I make sure that quality control is adequate in our processes here at Oswego, meaning that I look at statistical process analysis, statistical process control, measurement system analysis, and risk assessment analysis. I'm in charge of putting together corrective action plans for these issues, as well as making sure they are sustained. I also get involved in customer issues, from root cause analysis to putting in corrective actions to reporting that back to the customer. I also work with customer-specific requirements, making sure that they're implemented on the shop floor, making sure that our processes control their requirements in the end product. My job requires an in-depth knowledge of the processes and the multiple disciplines here at Oswego Work within the different manufacturing departments. I'm expected to interpret information received from various sources and anticipate requirements to make good business decisions. I have to organize, direct, coordinate, and conduct major work activities, prepare comprehensive reports, and I'm in charge of communicating both orally and in writing. I like my job because it gives me an overview of all the different processes here at Oswego at Novelis. I get to deal with people from different levels of the organization, from upper management all the way to the operators, and I also get to work with different people from other sites, which gives me the opportunity to implement a lot of new processes into our current processes. The job tends to be very demanding at times. However, I do get to deal with a lot of outside people. I get to learn about a lot about processes. I get involved in auditing from all aspects, and it requires a knowledge of processes as well as quality control. I do get to work in a team setting a lot, and it's a fun job because every day there's something different. Every day I get to work with different people, and I get to understand quality systems and understand the process as a whole here at Novelis.
What do you like best about your job?
What did I say before? What I like best about my job is that I get to deal with all different sorts of people. I really enjoy working with people. I also get involved with training, so I really enjoy teaching people what I know, and every day I get to learn something new.
Good. And what's your favorite classes in school?
My favorite classes in school were my laboratory classes, my design classes, my classes where I got to use my imagination, and I got to put something into place. I got to work with my hands.
Cool.